One accessing of the other programs. Second one is playing audios and downloading softwares, etc., etc. Next, I'm going to showing some internal links also. The previous two examples are the external links. External, other programs we are calling, or other files we are accessing. So how the external links are available? Same way internal links also available. If you click on anchor tag, we are moving. But where, sir? Somewhere in the same page, not to other page. Maybe top to bottom or bottom to top, or top to middle, middle to bottom. Within the same page, one place to another place, we are moving. That is called as internal links. Where it is used, sir? Best example, your Wikipedia, sir. Wikipedia is there, na? That Wikipedia is the best example for all internal links. Open Wikipedia page related to any subject or place or something else. So I want to know the history of Hyderabad. We have the content here, history. Click on history. History display. Different page. No. Could you scroll the screen? Here only history. But what happening? We moved from one place to another place within the same program or same page. So this type of movements are called as internal hyperlinks. But we have a lot of content here, Hyderabad related. History, geography, or administration, demographics, or something. If you click any of the links, sir, a link content bottom available, see that one. The history, move down. Modern history, and we don't want. Geography. Next comes down, sir. Conversation, administration. So all headings available in the same page. How to design these internal links, sir? For designing of this internal links, along with anchor tag, ID attribute is required. ID is one of the HTML global attribute. Remember? HTML attributes, global attributes, specific attributes, event attributes. And that global attributes, width, height, name, class, style, and ID is also, title also globally. So ID is one of the global attribute of HTML. We already discussed that one. I'm not explaining that point because discussion is completed already. Next, that ID I'm going to using directly current program. So what is the use of that ID, sir? In mapping process, we are going to using that for that mapping process. So once if you observe this one, administration, actually it's a heading. A heading bottom, we have a lot of explanations, something like that. Next, local government, heading, bottom, some small explanations also available here, right? So I'm going to creating some heading tags, H1, history, like this. So after designing of the H1 tag, assign some ID to this tag, ID. What is ID, sir? ID is a unique name for our tags. ID is nothing but it's a unique name for our tags. Employee ID is available. Customer ID is available. Product ID is also available in our real life. Of course, in our programming also. Product IDs, customer IDs, employee IDs, Aadhaar card ID, PAN card ID is never going to repeating. If it is repeated, you are kale kato. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. IDs are repeated. Your ID some terrorist is using, sir. If any bomb blast happens, sir, they are searching ID. Your photo comes. Our VIP, sir, comes, taking you as a celebrity. Kumudu. Chiranjeevi song unjudu. Ammadu. Let's do Kumudu ani. Kumudu. So that's why ID, Aadhars, these all the things always uniquely they are maintaining. If they're repeated by chance, sir, it's very dangerous. Names are repeating, sir. We are not talking about name. Name attribute is also available. That is repeating. So many cases, name attribute is repeating. But on the current topic, ID, it's allotting some unique names for our HTML tags. ID used for allotment of unique names for our HTML tag. Which name we have to use, sir? A, B, C, D, I, J, K, X, Y, Z. Your interest. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5. Your choice. Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. Your choice. Chickenu, muttonu, fishu, franzu, veggie. Your choice. Name required, but without repetitions. So I'm going to taking some head 1, sir. Got a heading 1. Next one more is that another heading. So here, sir, history is available. No? Some government is available. And this one I'm going to taking as a heading 2. Now what happens? These IDs we have to map to our anchor tag. So yesterday we designed anchor tag like this, href equals to, we are writing some URL of other programs. Which program you want to access? The program URLs we design here. Now in place of URL, I'm writing head 1. My head 1 is my URL. So close here and headings are history and close this one. The content. So when you, anchor tag closing. When you click on this history, it directly jumps to this line. Where this line available in your page, it directly jumping to that line. So here content available, sir. When I click this one, sir, it's jumping to some fifth line of the row. Or if I click on the another link, sir, it's jumping to 10th line of the row. Where these headings available in your page, the controller directly moving to that line, and that line is focusing on the browser also. How it is focusing, sir? A heading line, it becomes as the first line of the your web page. Go see here, the same thing happens. This is my content. Bottom history is there. This is. After clicking on history, what is the first line of current page? History, your heading. First line of history. Not visible a screen. The react here, respond here. Don't sleep. Try to respond. So if I go to for cityscape, sir. Now the first picture is not picture, sorry, first line. We directly jump to cityscape and bottom of that we have some information, Hyderabad picture and something. So our program also doing the same thing. When you click here, we are jumping to history. Now see the same code we are also going to designing. For 3-4 headings I'm taking, sir, not all headings. The content. So heading. History, the anchor tag here. href equals to something we have to mention. And anchor tag close, line break. Next, the second anchor tag, href equals to. These are all the things I'm not taking. Some geography. Line break operation. href. Climate. And anchor tag close. So total 3 headings I placed here. I have only links. These are currently just links only. So links ready. If I click here, I want to display the history. But history not available, sir. We have to design those all the things. We'll copy this data. Above H1, H1, some H3, H3. This is I'm going to displaying like as a paragraph. Data I just copy pasted, sir. Tags only I'm attaching. History heading, some explanation is available. Next, second heading, geography. H1, H1 close. Geography paragraph is also over. The next one, climate. Paragraph close. So data ready. Next, mapping required. Go to your first heading, history. Take the ID attribute. What we have to write, sir? A, B, C, D, I, J. In our programming, we are taking some variables names. No? Like that, you can take any name, no problem. So if you want to go for some reasonable name, I'll take hist. The history together, so reasonable hist. And this we have to map in href by using the hash code. This is. But whenever I click on history, the controller directly jumping to this line. And this line is becomes as the first line of your web page after clicking. Next is second one, sir. ID equals to, can I take again hist, sir? No, sir. Just I said it should be the unique. If I take the two same names, sir, program not work properly. Because when you click on that hyperlink, browser getting confusion. We have to jump to here or jump to here. Both cases you can jump it, sir. Two places at a time jumping not possible together. So confusion, ambiguity. Let's say take some different name, geo. And next last ones are climate. ID equals to, you can take some climate as easily. ID's allotment is over, and these IDs we are mapping here. Hash climate, hash geo. Okay. So mapping done, sir. We'll go and check it. So click on history first. Back, click on geography. Back, click on climate. It's not moving, sir, because bottom data not available. Climate after we don't have any data, so that's a some small problem in moment, but it's working. So within the same page only, we are traveling from one place to another place. So this type of designing programmatically is called as internal links. In our MS Word, we have the same type of one concept. It's called as bookmarks. Bookmarks and one concept available. We have some 150 pages project documentation available, sir. But 150 pages every time moving is not required and no need. So some important topics are available. Where, sir? In page number 10, page number 35, page number 70. But how can jump to page number 35 directly? And I'm remembering the page number, sir. That's impossible, sir. So we are creating the bookmarks. Page number 35, we are creating the bookmark with the chapter heading. Page number 65, we are creating bookmark. Where it is available, sir? In our home, insert bookmark option is there. Next time, if you want to move easily from that important topic, so just go open the bookmarks. Same way links are displaying. When you click on that, we are jumping to directly that page number. The facility available. Okay, MS Word, we don't know, sir. I have some habit to read the novels. 300 pages novel available. Sometimes you are folding papers, sir. Edge you are folding other. Kyun, sir? Next time to move to that page easily. Somebody page folding. Somebody some slips they are placing like this. Easy accessing in future. That all slips page folding is nothing but an bookmarks. Internal marks. So hyperlinks over there. Next we are moving to the next topic. So some tags knowledge we got it now. Now we'll move to sometimes CSS. Alternately we are going to learning because we have to use combinedly in coming programs. CSS how to implement we know 3 styles: internal style, external style, and inline style. But what are the CSS attributes available? We don't know anything. So slowly we are starting CSS attributes also now. So today I'm going to covering 5 to 6 CSS attributes. Some tags, some attributes, some tags, some attributes. Not getting bored and digest is also easy. Daily chicken biryani, sir. Afternoon chicken biryani, night chicken biryani. Afternoon chicken biryani, night chicken biryani. Morning chicken dosa. 5 days, 6 days after, what is our position? Full of tight, no freeness. So chicken biryani we are interested. Daily if you are taking, sir, 5 days, 6 days, 1 week, 10 days, okay. 11th day compulsory starts the problems slowly. Like that HTML, CSS also. Daily tags are. So that's some tags we got it. Now we'll move to some CSS. After that, some tags, some CSS. Both combinedly we are using it. So first I'm going to starting some of the CSS attributes, especially colors related attributes. Vegetarian, daily sambar. 1 week after, sir, surrounding nobody is sitting and nobody is standing. Huh? So first I'm going to explaining colors concept, sir. How to apply the colors in our HTML as well as the CSS. Up to now, we designed some tags, every tag displaying the data black and white, except the anchor tags, right? Rest of all the tags, black and white. So I need some colorful screens at different colors I want to apply. Yes, HTML supporting colors, CSS also supporting colors, but we are going to using CSS colors. Better try to avoid using colors in HTML pattern, outdated pattern. HTML tags not outdated, but applying the colors in HTML style is outdated. Example, sir. My screen is total white color. I want to change this one to red color or green or yellow, sir. Some of persons, they are going to writing the code like this. BG color equals to red. This is outdated, I am saying. BG ante background color. Changing a sir, 100% changing your background color. No doubt at all. But don't prefer to write like this. Reasons are the old versions concept. We are not learning old versions, newer versions learning. So follow the newer versions guidelines. With technically some problems available, sir. That's why W3C is saying, please stop this one. We introduced alternatives. So follow alternatives. Okay, na? So colors we are going to applying now, first of all. How to apply the colors in our HTML or CSS? Overally, we have 3 patterns to apply the colors. 3 styles we can apply the colors for our HTML tags. One, directly names. When you want to apply the colors, write your color name, red, green, blue, orange, something. How many colors you know in your real life? Write that all colors. No problem. Spelling correct, browser applying the color. By chance spelling not understanding the browser, sir, black color comes automatically. Your spelling is wrong, or browser unable to identify that one, automatically black color it will comes. So we can apply colors in 3 formats or 3 ways. We can apply colors in 3 ways. So one is named colors. Second one is RGB colors. And third one is hexadecimal colors. Hexadecimal, base 16 colors. So these are the 3 types of colors to apply. We don't know the meaning, sir. Coming to that only, sir. Named colors. What happens here, sir? Color names we are writing directly. When you need the colors, color spelling in our real life, how we are writing, in the same style we are writing color names. So writing color names directly. Colors related codes, so some symbols, so nothing allows. Directly an English word straightly it is allows. Red, green, blue. This is color name writing directly. Is one option to write. Writing colors names directly. Examples are, suppose color red. We can write like this, red or green. How many colors you know? That all the colors we can write it, sir. There is no problem. First of all, system, how many colors it supported, sir? System colors we don't need, sir. Because system supporting our unexpected number of colors. 16 million colors it supports the system. We don't know 160 colors names also properly, including myself. Correct? Anybody 160 colors names know na? मुझे भी नहीं मालूम. But our computers, especially our programs, are supports the 16 million colors. That number of colors are available. Really available as sir. Different shades. Every color we have hundreds of shades. When Asian paints, Nerolac paints, brochure observed. Paints brochure. You have the thousands of colors in the brochure. And the second scenario, RGB colors. We have to take some predefined function support. CSS providing one predefined function. The name of the function is RGB. So specifying colors in RGB format. What is RGB, sir? Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. RGB format. Red, green, blue. How to write that one, sir? For that, CSS providing a predefined function. So use RGB function to specify colors. CSS inside we have one predefined function, sir, RGB function. Predefined, like as our tags, like as our attributes, it is also predefined, inbuilt. And how to type that function, sir? Basic syntax comes like this, sir. RGB of, write the red percentage, red color percentage, and write the green color percentage, write the blue color percentage, and close this. First, we have to mention how much red color quantity you want to take. Next, green color quantity. Next, blue color quantity. So take all these three quantities into one bowl, take a brush, mix it. Finally, we'll get one shade, a shade displaying in your output. It happens in our houses also, in our home. Rangoli time, holy time, coming holy festival time also. Already you have 2-3 colors in our house, but you need 4-5 colors there. But at the time going to shop purchasing is not possible. What to do? Existing colors with some amount of quantities, if you mix it, sir, new shades are producing. Homemade colors. RGB doing the same thing. So one Preeti mixi, sir, otherwise butterfly mixi. 2 spoons of red color, 3 spoons of green color, 4.5 spoons of blue color. Mix for 2 minutes. A different shape is going to forming. The different shade, it will comes in our output also. How much quantity you want to mix, a quantity we have to write here. Is there any limits for the quantities, sir? 100%, sir. Minimum limit available, maximum limit also available. Every color range should be the 0 to 255. Every color range should be the 0 to 255. Red color quantity minimum 0, maximum 255. Green color quantity minimum 0, maximum 255. Like that blue. Every color minimum 0, sir, maximum 255, sir. Every color 0 minimum, maximum 255. If I given more than 255, what happens, sir? System takes their own format. That we'll see discuss later. But now see the rough example here. RGB of some 35, 89, some 120. This is the writing format. RGB of 35, 89, 120. What happens? Something color comes. Which colors are? I don't know. 16 million colors, Amma. Who remembers? I'm also a common human being here. So if I run the program, we'll get the result conformly. So this is the red quantity, and this is the green quantity, and this is the blue quantity. Mixing all these three quantities, resultant shade is producing. Suppose if I write like that intentionally, 100, 150, 350, sir. Actually, we cross the limit. We exceed the maximum value. Any error is comes as, sir. No chance, sir. HTML, CSS, generally errors not comes. What happening, sir? It's just performing the rounding operations. In our programming, it happens. Integer variables or long variables time. If you given the excess value, compiler is doing rounding that value. Same here also, rounding operations it performs. But finally, how much it is going to substituting, sir? Oh, online students, why you are raising hands? Huh? If you have any doubt, please wait up to end of the session. Don't raise any hands. Wait for end of the session. We'll talk. Middle of the session, don't do that type of things. Yeah. So 350 percentage 255. The rounding off. 350 percentage 255. How much value, sir? 45, 95. So it substitutes the 95 in system. I given 350, sir. incidentally or accidentally, whatever it may be, but system is takes background directly 95. So with the 95 quantity, it is mixing the color and producing results. The reminder, sir, percentage is nothing but a reminder, modulus operator. 350 dividing with the 255, how much reminder is there? A reminder taking as a resultant value. With that, we'll get the shades. So this is writing of RGB formation. And you want to produce the different shades instead of routine colors, better you can go for this one. Next, hexadecimal colors. Specifying colors in hexadecimal formats are here. Specifying colors in hexadecimal format. Nothing but an base 16 format. In our computers as well as the mathematics, we have total 4 number systems. Base 2, base 8, base 10 and base 16. No? In mathematics also we have these things. In our calculators also we have these things. Base 2 is called, base 2 numbers are called binary numbers. Base 10 decimal. Base 8 octal format, and now it is a base 16. It's not computers knowledge, sir. Basic mathematics. So base 16, sir, hexadecimal. Hexa means 6, decimal means 10, so total hexadecimal 16. If you want to mention any color, a color should be converted into hexadecimal format. We'll get some code. A code we have to use in our program. Actually, it's a long process. Converting colors in hexadecimal is very typical process. But how to use it, sir? For that, our editors are supporting for us. Edit Plus, Notepad++, Visual Studio, those are all giving some supporting to us without converting the manually colors into hexadecimal format. If you choose the color, sir, what is the hexadecimal code? Editors producing. Recently, HTML operators we worked, remember? HTML entities. When I select the symbols, sir, code system typing, ampersand something. Like that, if you select the colors, sir, the color code also system only typing. But first, we have to learn manually, then we'll take the support of the systems. So this is the basic syntax to implement. Hexadecimal colors always starts with a hash symbol. Hexadecimal numbers always starts with the hash symbol. So last week also I explained this point. Maybe you remember, I think. Ampersand, hash, remember? These are the HTML special operators and all are the hexadecimal code. Smiley symbols we design together. But a hash, hexadecimal representation. Now the second time hexadecimal we are using here. Hash after total we have to type 6 digits. Hash after total we have to type 6 digits. What is the meaning of the 6 digits, sir? I'll explain. Can I type any digit, sir? Your interest, sir. Total in our real life, how many digits we have? Total. 10 kada. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. 10 is not digit. 10 is a number. 11 also number. 100 is also number. Number is a combination of digits. But what are the code you are going to typing here? That must be in the 16 digits only. Hexadecimal total 16 digits are available. I'll type also for your convenience. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We actually hexadecimal range. Original range of the hexadecimal. But in systems, what happens? 10 is taken as A, 11 is taken as B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. So, if you want to write any color, the code should be the combination of the 16 digits. What are the color code you want to produce? the code should be built with these 16 digits only. See, I'm writing here. First syntax, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 digits required. What is the meaning of 6 digits, sir? RR, GG, BB. 6 digits, meaning is that one. RR, GG, BB. The 1, 2 red representation, sir. 3, 4 green representation. 5, 6 blue representation. First position, second position is a representation of red color. Third and fourth position is a representation of the green color. And fifth and sixth positions are the representation of the blue color. System feeling is this one. If you type with any feeling, system takes like this. I want to implement it, sir. A rough example like this. Hash 18 BB 6E. What is that, sir? Randomly I typed one code, sir. Conformly one color is comes. Recently randomly I typed one hexadecimal operator. Output something smileys are comes together. Same format, 100% one color is comes. Which color, sir? Ask the browser. I don't know that one. Again, 16 million colors. How many codes we are remembering? Or 10 or 20, 30 oddly. That's all. In our mobile, how many contact numbers available, sir? All of you, can you say the 60 contact numbers fastly? Anybody? 60 contact numbers fastly. Your parents, your relatives, your close friends, or 60 numbers. Name, number, fastly. Anybody? No, na? Chance is there, huh? Normal aithe no chance. If you work hard and if you practice properly, aithe one fine morning we can say 60 numbers we have the problem aithe 16 million colors. Not only me, even I asked 60 numbers. I don't know 10 numbers first of all. If you ask my contact mobile numbers, hardly 2 numbers or 3 numbers comes on there. One my number, one my wife number, one my daughter number on there. My parents' numbers also I don't know. I have to see the mobile only. Compulsory. Institute number I don't know first of all. Ante already HTML remembering, CSS available, JavaScript available, C language available, Oracle available kada. Memory full already. Stack overflow exception. So this is one of way to type the color. At 18, what is this, sir? Red quantity. BB, sir, green quantity, and 6E blue quantity. So this is the color codes, hexadecimal color codes. But these color codes are generating very typical, sir. 100% very typical, sir. But you don't worry, system producing that one. And second syntax also we have here, sir. Hash RGB only. 3 digits syntax also available. 6 digits syntax available, 3 digits syntax available. So 3 digits what, sir? One R, second green, third one is blue. Just like this. The single digit we are going to specify. Hash A7 9. But A7 is not red. A is only red. 7 is green, 9 is blue. 7 is green, 9 is blue, A is the red quantity. When you write the 3 digits taking as a 3 colors. When you write the 6, every color 2 digits. When I write the 4, sir, 4 syntax not available. Our balance 2 missing, 2 zeros are adding. Because 4 dividing is not possible, sir. Whether division is possible clearly. So these are the total 3 styles to mention colors anywhere in our programs. The background colors or foreground colors or lines colors or shadows colors, whatever it may be. Whenever you need the color support, follow one of these. In all these things, which is the easiest way? First one. Because daily we are using in our real life, right? But twist, you know, na? First one we never preferred in our projects as a twist. Practicing examples, okay, sir, but real applications, named colors not allowed. Reasons are spellings problem. Browser to browser spellings problems are comes. But US person writing color spelling different, sir. UK person writing color spelling different, sir. Anna. Two spellings available. The color COLOR is there, COLOUR is also there. But which spelling you are writing? Your website, which user using? US user or UK user? No idea. Would you develop the program based on the US English spellings, sir? US English colors comes properly, but UK users colors not comes properly. So W3C is suggesting don't prefer the names in real-time projects. Go for the constants. Hexadecimals better. Hexadecimals are changing, sir. Hexadecimal is the universal system. UK separate hexadecimal, India separate hexadecimal, Pakistan separate hexadecimal not available, sir. Mathematics, binaries everywhere 0 and 1 only, right? US lo binary means 0 1 1 no. Afghanistan, Russia no kada 1 1 kada. So universal codes, they are never going to changing. So real-time projects, colors preferable always in hexadecimal format. Practicing scenarios, your interest. Your choice. And next one, how to write the colors I mentioned, sir. How to write the colors I specified here. Next, where to use these colors, sir? Which scenarios we require the colors? Remember, sir, here heading, we can apply the colors in 3 ways. We can apply the colors in 3 ways. Now question is, where to apply these colors? Different styles colors applying completed, sir. Now I want to apply the color. In which scenarios I need the colors? Scenario number 1, like this background colors. Scenario number 2, foreground color. This is the data color, data backside color. Data color is called as the foreground color. Data backside color is called as the background color. So my color foreground, sir, my backside background colors. These are the 2 scenarios. Third scenario, sir, sometimes we are drawing some shapes also in our HTML pages. Rectangle shapes, square shapes, triangle shapes, circular shapes, oval shapes. Required, sir, compulsory required for designing of the web page. When you are drawing the shape, a line forming a border. In our engineering first year drawing, when you are drawing lines, drawing a line color also available. Basically line color black available. I don't like the black, sir. You can change the color. Example, your paintbrush, sir. This is paintbrush. I'm drawing one line, sir. What is the color? Line. So in some of the cases in our web page designing, a rectangle box required, sir. Some places circular box required. Some places circle required. But when you are drawing the shape, a shape outline comes. That outline is called as the border. Border colors is the third scenario. Border is the third scenario. Next, sometimes we are producing some shadows also. Shadow. Venkatesh hero. So shadows also we are producing sometimes, sir. I'll show here, see that. In paintbrush also we can produce the shadows. So this is shadow. A shadow color also will get the black color base color. I don't want black color, sir. You can change again. The fourth scenario, shadow colors. 2 types of shadows available. Drawing and some shape shadow available, plus data shadow also available. For text also we can produce shadow. For special effects, special way of data presentation. We observed that recently you downloaded some Edit Plus or some software. Edit Plus. The text shadow is there, observed? Edit plus shadow is there, background, gray color, light gray color they used. Special effects and same shadow also we can produce. That is called as text shadow. Because edit is the data gather. So data shadow is called as the text shadow. A shadow color we can set. Not only edit plus, you can go for your Facebook login screen. Here also shadow is there, but very concentration observation required. Normally not appeared. A box observe shadow is there. A white color box is there. Observe the edges. Light gray color shadow is there. Normally, if you see like that, it's not visible. You have to see like that, then only it is visible. Keen observation required. Reasons are that much of light color they used. Touch me not style color. Still not identified. Clearly visible now. Not visible. Visible. A white color border is there, na edge. White color edge onwards, observe the 5 millimeters distance. Only 5 millimeters. Facebook also using shadows, sir. Your favorite website. Daily 1 or 2 times we are using. So this is the shadows. And when I'm explaining this shadow, shadows are, sir, we are not using anywhere. These type of doubts are coming. A practical proofs also is shown. Facebook using and Edit Plus using. If you search, sir, so many websites they are using. But we are never observed that one, sir. But we are busy with chatting, mailing, surfing, purchasing, selling these. Our surrounding content, that much of concentration we are not observing. That is the only problem. Plus the second reason, maximum we are using mobiles. So in mobiles, these are the options not visible. The matter. Reason, mobiles you are using apps what you downloaded. But we are discussing here course websites how to develop. They were discussing subject to what you are using mobile, 100% no relation matter. It's 100% non-related concept. So my explanations you are unable to feel in the browser, mobiles. And if you open in normal computers or if you open in the normal browser, sir, my explanations, what are the options you are using, connectivity comes. Whenever you are using the Android apps, sir, that number of days, my explanations connectivity not comes. Apps different to websites different. Underline this point, Your Honor. If I want to develop the apps for my phone, sir, you have to join the Android course, not HTML course. A course changing. Android with a combination of XML required, HTML not required. Designing of the Android apps, Android technology, and user interfaces coming from the XML language. For our course, what, sir? Websites only. So that's why my explanations you are never going to connecting. Reason, this is the problem. When I'm asking any point, we saw like Nana, we observe now, we face it like this, not a reaction. Reason, mobile effect. Reason is a mobile effect. So that's why don't use overly mobile, sir. At least weekly once or 2 weeks, 2 days, 3 days once. If you use the websites through browser, classroom explanations, practically what we are observing, synchronization is forming. And you also get the better subject knowledge, the matter. Otherwise, this direction different to this direction different. One north corner, one south corner. Never go into combining. So shadows available in our Facebook and Edit Plus also. This is box shadow and as well as the data shadow also. The shadow. So total 5 places basically we are using colors. One for data, one for the data, second one for background, third one for lines, nothing but an borders, fourth one for shadow, two shadows, data shadow plus drawing shapes shadow. These are the 5 basic scenarios when we need the colors. But in these 5 scenarios, which model we can apply the colors are? One of the 3 models. One of the 3 models we can apply. But how to write these all the things we don't know, sir. I'm explaining the syntax and also CSS attributes. The CSS attributes also. Colors use cases. So first attribute, CSS attributes I'm listing, sir. Color. What is this color, sir? One of the CSS attribute. One of the CSS predefined attribute. Purpose, sir, to change the color of text or data. To change the color of text or data. So how to use, sir? Color colon, write your color name or write RGB or write hexadecimal, any of that one. So color equals to red, valid. R, color equals to RGB of 10, 10, valid. Or color equals to hash 1 2 BC 89. So this is the 3 ways of color specification meaning. We can mention colors in any of the format. Next to background color. Next attribute is background hyphen color. Another CSS attribute. Purpose, sir, to change the background color of your data background color. Background color of data. Can I change the screen, sir? Screen color also you can change. Screen nothing but an data background, sir. Because data displaying on the screen only. So if you change the data background, automatically screen background is also changing. Okay, if you have the problem, you can write page also. To change the background color of data as well as to change the background color of the page. Any tag background color we can change, sir. Why not, sir? 100%. Syntax, the same style it will comes. Background color hyphen something. Same pattern, sir. One syntax I am showing, sir, because 3 awareness I already given. So time wasted 3 times typing. Single time I am typing here. Background hyphen color equals to write color name. Which colors are? Red or green or your choice. Which formats are? Direct RGB or hexadecimal, your choice. The balance you can follow yourself. Every option 3 modes are available. So background hyphen color equals to write the name of the color or write the RGB combination or write the hexadecimal combination. Your choice. Next, border lines. So to change the style of border, not only color, total border style we can change. To change the style of border, nothing but an line. CSS attributes. Currently we are discussing everything CSS related only. Border colon. How to write the syntax I am explaining here. Border attribute, it will take the 3 values total. 3 values required. One is thickness of the line required. I am drawing the line. How much thickness you required? A thickness specified. Second one, style of the line. It is straight line, gaps, dots, 2 lines, variety lines available. Which variety of line you are expecting, a variety also we have to specify. When you are going to drawing or picturing process, somebody straight lines they are drawing, somebody curved lines they are drawing, somebody line, small gap, that is called as the hyphenation or dashed lines. It straightly not comes, cutting. On a highways observed, highways, roads, one straight line available. Sometimes two straight lines available. Sometimes single line, some distance, 3 feet, cut. Again 3 feet, cut, 3 feet, cut, 3 feet, cut. Oh, you are always traveling in air, not on roads. And which state, which district, and don't ask, sir. Highways available all over the India. All highways are following the same norms only, same coloring also, red roads. Lines, why that number of lines, variety drawings are. Every line, one symbolic meaning is available. Single line meaning is different, double lines meaning is different, cut line meaning is different. One small 3 feet line, one circle, 3 feet line, again circle. That meaning is different again. That is civil engineering terminology. Civil students, you knows that one. Others, maybe YouTube videos. Every color, every line, a symbolic meaning available in background. A variety of lines available. Like that, we can also draw variety of lines here. How many varieties are? 8 varieties of lines it is available in CSS. A variety we required. At last, color of the line. Yellow color, black color, white color. So thickness, style, color. Total 3 values are required here. Total 3 values are required. First, thickness, sir. Write the thickness of the line. First one. Space, style of the line. Style of the line. Again space, color of the line. 3 values required. I want to draw the border, or I want to draw the line. So how much thickness you required, what type of line you want to draw, and which color you want to draw. Even paintbrush also we have these options together. 4 or 5 lines were available. Very small, thin, medium thin, thick, medium thick, more thick, different sizes available. Paintbrush also. The border concept, sir. Next to shadow. First we'll finish example on this one, then we'll go for the shadows. H1. First I'm printing H1. Message, sir, or subject name I'm going to printing here. H1. So generally this H1 is displaying with the black and white color. The daily we are observing that one. Black and white color. But H1 color, background color, both I want to change, sir. Hypertext markup language data color plus our data background white color available, both I want to change. So go for our discussions. Style equals to color. So remember this style? Day before yesterday no, we discussed this one. CSS implementations. Not discussed. Not discussed and you are not remember meaning. Clearly 3 models I explained. What is the drawbacks in that one? What is the advantage also in 3 models? So we discussed. So I'm following the inline CSS. But you said that inline CSS don't use, sir. Don't use, I said, in applications. The dummy example. First we want to get the awareness. After getting awareness, perfection. Without any awareness, directly perfection not comes. So first of all, I'm changing the color red. Now the hypertext is displaying with the red color. Color change, red color. Next, I want to change the background color also, sir. Background hyphen color colon. Which color you required background? Write the color. Yellow. Background color. This is red and yellow. Background color yellow, sir. Foreground color red. But the screen total not changed, sir. How? Screen not changing. We designed these styles in which tag? H1 tag inside kada. So effect is goes to only that H1 only. So how much area your H1 is occupied, that much of area will get the effect. See this one. I'm increasing some data here. So number of lines are increasing and the occupation area is also increasing. So automatically colors are spreading. Here which pattern we followed? Colors apply. Named pattern we followed. I want to apply RGB also, sir. Yes, I am covering that also. Again H1, CSS. So cascading style sheets. First we'll apply the background color. Background of RGB of, write 3 numbers blindly, sir. 0 to 255, 3 numbers. Say one number. 30. Next. 1 5. 1 5. Next. $54. So 30, 15, 54. Mixing. Something happens. You mix this. That actually dark blue color formed, sir. Not black, it's a dark blue color. A cotton color, sir. There we have the cotton, a cotton shading, darkness. Data is there. Dark blue color, data black color. So maybe visibility problem. Now see. Is there a data? Okay. A color okay. Now we'll change the foreground color also. Then we'll get the effect. So this is background color, right? Online students say there's something they suggested and 180, 15 to 230. Okay. Chetan. Your color combination. What happens we'll see. So output jump. There's something not red, maroon. A projector problem. One color displaying in another color, that is projector problem. Actual color is maroon color. A t-shirt color. So okay. What is the maroon is the blue. Next color also I'm going to applying here. Color colon RGB of something number. There was some other student combination. 100 to 120, 105 RGB semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon, sir. Mandatory semicolons. If you are not using semicolon, that property not applied. Semicolon compulsory in CSS. Color okay, but background dominating that color. So 155, 200, 135. There's some light green shades, sir. Green shade, light green shade. Shirt color, that shirt color. They matter. So blindly, if you give some 3 numbers, conformably one color comes. But here problem what? But your expected shade, when you are getting now, how much time? I'm expecting some shade, but a shade related, I'm changing the numbers, changing. When you are getting finally your expected shade. 2022 also completed. Next Sivaratri also comes. That's why what to do, sir. Again, take the support of your editors. Every HTML editor producing RGB color counts also with some shortcut format. No, sir, I'm not using any editor, sir. A paintbrush available. Go to paintbrush better. Paintbrush is the universal software. And already we have colors in paintbrush. Top colors available already. These are the colors. We have edit colors here. Click on these edit colors. Color dialog box is opens. Color dialog box. A last bottom edge observe RGB. RGB. Last bottom edge. All colors values currently 0, 0, 0. So black. All lower bounds black, sir. All upper bounds white. All 255, 255, 255, sir. White is comes. The resultant color. All higher bounds white, all lower bounds black. But now, what is the advantage here, sir? We have some color mixer here, right? Choose the color what you require and adjust the brightness. The resulted color this is. Adjusted the brightness. I need this color, sir. This shade, okay. What is the number? 15 or 251 or 2. Use these numbers in the program. Simplest process. You can set your own color. If you select the color and adjust the brightness, code system displaying. Just remember the code and type in the program. Simple procedure. 15 or 255 2. $15, 255 2. Or green only displaying exactly. The time saving. In every HTML editor, we have this feature. By chance, if you are unable to identify, just go to the paintbrush and identify the codes. What about the edit plus, sir? Edit plus also we have the same option. But edit plus the top of that one browser icon is there. You know already that one. You got a C icon also available. You HTML operators. Recently we worked. Huh? No. And now one more option. Color box is there. Oh, you have already so many color shades. Okay, I want to prepare my own shades, sir. A last more option is there. Na? Click on the more. Paintbrush, what is the window is open? Same window is open here. Reason, sir. All these are using Windows colors only. OS colors are using every editor. So if you go for any software, same screen is going to open. As usual, repeat the same process. There are numbers available. Identify the numbers using the program. Next one. RGB is over. Na? Next third option, sir. Hexadecimal option. Hexadecimal. So background color. Hash. Say some digits, 6 digits. Say some digits. 146600, na? So 146600. What happens, sir? Something happens. Without happening, no chance, sir. Something happens. Dark green. Dark green. Okay, leave it, no problem. Next color. Again, hash. $25, $75, $45 above. $25, $45, sorry, $75, $45. 25 red, 75 green, 45 blue. Mixing. Aha. Green. Not workouts. 9933 There's some green and purple. There's something color here. But here also we have one problem again. How many codes you are going to testing like this? For getting of your expected shade. So many testings required. You don't worry about that, sir. Once again, go for our colors option in our screen. Got a colors option available. Already you have 200 to 300 colors. You just click the color, code comes automatically. Like as your HTML operator style. See this? I'm just clicking on color, yellow, bright yellow, 4 Fs to 4 zeros. I'm clicking on magenta, dark magenta, FF00FF. I'm clicking on coffee color, 660000. Got it? You just select the color, code is generated by the system only. Simple procedure. If I need any my own shades, sir, that also no problem. Go to more. Prepare your own shade. Which shade you require? Light cyan. Either sea blue anukunta. Something. This shade I required, sir. How to get it, sir? After preparation of your color shade, add it to custom colors available. After setting the ratio and brightness, add it to custom colors. It is adding to the colors library. Right, left side it will comes. Okay. This is the color code. 9FFFFF. Light sea blue color. This is the color code. So you can prepare your own colors also, sir. There is no problem. And the codes you don't worry about. You just select the color. System producing the codes. So the color models completed. 3 ways how to type the colors. 3 ways how to type or how to specify the colors. Direct names, RGBs and hexadecimals, right? But now the place is completed, sir. Sorry. How to write the colors completed. Next, where to implement the colors are. Total 5 I said. 2 we already covered. Background colors and foreground colors. But you applied all the things on H1 only, sir. One tag, how to apply if you know, sir. Follow the same procedure for all tags. Tag to tag procedure not just changing. Copy paste only. That's all. Okay, if you have any doubt, I'll go for the paragraph. So this is our paragraph. Now I'm going to applying the paragraph color, sir. Once again, style, colon, background color. I'm taking some blue color, some blue shade. Next, what about the foreground, sir? White. But one more point I'm covering here, see that. One color I applied with hexadecimal format, one color I applied with named format. Your choice. We have to use all RGBs only. We have to use all names only. No. That rule not available. Which one you are comfortable, that one. Or you can go for mixing also like this. In the same tag, can I use RGB also, sir? If situation demanding it, we can use it. Situation demanding, we can use RGB also. 3 types of colors in the same tag. First, we'll run these two. Background blue, foreground white. Background blue, foreground white. But for this paragraph, I want to apply the box. Box I required. The box is called as the border. So, space, border, first thickness of the border, 5 pixels. 5 pixels and almost 3-4 millimeters line is comes. thickness 3-4 millimeters. Space, solid line, the straight line, no curves, no curves, no cuttings, straight line. Space, color, already blue, white undi, em chestunnav, green, green, fixed. This green okay na? 12 190 to 21. 12 190 to 21. RGB of 12 190 to 21. Three styles I'm using same model. See that RGB colors available in the same tag, hexadecimals available, and the white color names also available. A green box we have, it's called as border box. Green produced by RGB, blue produced by hexadecimal, white direct names, white direct spelling, green RGB, blue hexadecimal. So three working perfectly and we got it. So 2 points in these tags are all colors we can use at a time. There is no problem. Second one, I mainly focused here how to get the border. Border colon 5 pixels solid, specify the color name, whatever it may be. Can I go for my own margin, sir? Yes, sir, your own margin. I mean, your own size possible, your own style, your own color. That's why for awareness, I'm taking one more tag here. Recently, what we completed, image tag. Image, for image, I want to set the border, sir. How it is look like, yes, sir. Our grandparents' photos available in our homes. Here, photo frame. A frame, a border means. The photo one wooden frame is comes na. The wooden frame is called as the border. So see that also. IMG SRC equals to images slash the actual image, sir. See the original appearance of the image. Image not displaying ante maybe address problem, sir, or maybe extension problem. That's all. Address or extension, these are the only two problems. Not program problem, not your system problem, not faculty problem. Image program you designed but not displaying ante only the two reasons: address not proper or extension not correct. There is no another reason, sir. But it's getting very big size. We'll control it. 400 pixels width, 400 pixels height. A small picture it will comes. But for this picture, I want to set the border. No problem. So write the style here. Style followed by 10 pixels, thick line, solid. Colors are green kada, red will take. Red like with the orange. Border missing amma. So draw the border for my image. Border thickness 10 pixels, solid border, color reddish shade. This is the box is comes for your image. But solid already we used it, sir. Previous example, yes. Can I go for any other model, sir? Oh, why not, sir? Solid not interested are dotted available. Small circles producing as a line. No muggulestar kada rangoli. Chukkal muggulestare. Rangoli amma. Dots are forming as a border. Dots not required, sir. Dashed is also available. Dashed, hyphen, hyphen. Like the total 8 varieties of lines supported basically. Basic models, 8 models are available. With 3 models we already observed. Fourth one, sir, double line. On a national highways, double lines, these hyphen lines, these lines available, these lines also available. Next one, another model, inset. Inset is one type of line. So the 3D effect is comes, edges 3D effect is comes. A diagonally observe 3D shade is comes. And one side dark red is comes, one side light red is comes. Inset, that border is comes with a deep border. Inset like that, outset is also available. Line comes outside like this. Your hand, finger is there, na? In the outside. Inset and this is inset. Really available, you are just playing. See that one, sir. I edge observed that one. So variety of lines we can draw like this, sir. Future we are discussing clearly. Situation wise I explained here. So up to theoretically how much I explained, that practically also we completed here. Colors cover, the background, border, and all the 3 types of colors. The shadows available, sir, that we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.